Hello there. After my last video, in which I made a towel rack, I felt I can do a better job on the decorative aspect, specifically the ball ends. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this better decorative finial and do it completely freehand and without any grinding or jigs of any kind. I'll start by using this half-round swage depression, but anything similar should work. I prefer using this to my anvil edge because tilting the piece up and pressing against the front edge of the depression allows me to be more consistent as I rotate the piece. My hammer blows are centered on the back edge of the swage depression. Strike a few times, rotate 90 degrees, strike again, and repeat, doing 4 sides. For the final heat of this step, continuously rotate and hammer. In this way, I can upset the end some. I highly recommend working around your anvil or anvil-like object. Use different spots and vary the angles. This anvil edge is perfect for this, but it can also be done on a standard flat anvil edge. You just need to hold the workpiece lower in that case. Doing this helps to slowly widen the finial ends while thinning the finial center. I need to thank a trio of guys for their donations. They are Dan Richardson, Paul Fenawald, and Oz Tanrakulu. Thanks, fellas. I appreciate your generosity to the channel. I take a few heats to thin out the section just below the decorative end and give it a more pleasing flow. If I change the bottom end of that finial some, this would make a pretty good acorn. I thought about breaking out the guillotine tool to fuller the center harder and smoother, but decided to keep this as minimal as possible. This is another example of using your anvil in a less conventional way, which is something I recommend. So that's that. Nothing complicated, but much more interesting than what I did last video. Hope you enjoyed this one. Catch you guys next time.